Hello, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today I'd like to show you our 1998 Avion. This is a model 375W. This is the 37-foot, 3-slide-out Avion. It's got a stackable washer dryer in it, fiberglass exterior. It's got lots of window awnings on it. There's an awning over every window. Then you've got your big slide. Then you see the window awning. Let's walk around the back here. Nice big fridge and freezer in this one. Nice back cap. There's your ladder. Walk around the other side here. There's that third slide I was talking about. Another window awning. Another window awning up front. And then you've got your big awning, and it's wrapped in metal to protect it. Nice solid step. It was just traded in this morning and it is very clean. Nice big couch, goes into a bed. Stereo, TV, VCR, speakers up top. Nice rounded ceiling. Okay, then as we come back, we got the table and chairs. Then we got the big freezer and fridge. Lots of storage. Nice big kitchen. Solid surface countertops. Magic Chef oven. Air conditioner right there. Ceiling fan. And then your two chairs in that third slide right there. Nice and clean. Nice big unit. Okay, now we've got the bathroom, sink, medicine cabinet, nice big shower. Let me open the, and you've got your stool. Fantastic fan up there. Then you've got your stackable whirlpool. You got your washer down here. It's nice to have a stackable washer dryer. And then you've got your bedroom. Lots of storage. Another fantastic fan. Then you got all your storage across the front and a nice big bed. Okay, I'll get one more shot of the living room. Well, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this 37-foot 1998 Avion, just call or text me at 218-391-ANDY. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.